So you want to improve your pull-ups and get many more reps with it. Do not worry my bro, I got you. And ito yung mga tips or mga exercises din na pwede nyo gawin para ma-improve yung quality and yung reps nyo sa pull-ups. First off, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam kung paano mag-pull-ups, ganito lang yung form nito. You have to engage your back muscles before ka mag-pull-up. Hindi lang po angat baba ang pull-up. You have to pull your shoulder blades down like this and then proceed to do a pull-up. Pwedeng activated habang nagpo-pull-up kayo or pwede rin naman na binababa nyo into a dead hang and then i-activate nyo every repetition. And ganito yung itsura niya kapag nakatalikod. Pansinin nyo, mas engaged yung back muscles natin kapag nakababa yung scapulas. Ngayon, para sa mga taong nakaka 2 to 5 pull-ups and gusto nyo lang mag-increase yung pull-up repetition nyo, the best advice to increase your pull-ups is to actually just do more pull-ups. Ngayon, wag kayong malito, let me explain first. You can do this method called greasing the groove method sa pull-ups. And to easily explain this to all of you na wala pang masyadong knowledge dito, magpo-pull up ka araw-araw pero not until failure. You're only going to be doing 60 to 80% of your max pull-ups. For example, ang max pull-up na kaya mo is 10 reps. Try doing 6 to 8 pull-ups every morning, every afternoon, every midnight, or as soon as may access ka sa pull-up bar. Itong exact method na to yung ginawa ko para ma-increase yung pull-ups ko from 3 to 5 reps up to 10 to 15 repetitions. Ngayon, paano naman yung mga taong hindi pa talaga kaya makaisang rep sa pull-up? Ito yung exercise na tinatawag na pull-up negatives. And mas madali to sa pull-ups dahil yung lowering part lang ng pull-up yung ginagawa mo. Kaya tinawag to na pull-up negatives is yung negative part lang kasi ng pull-up yung ginagawa mo or yung lowering part. Yung moving up part ng pull-up is tinatawag na concentric or positive part ng pull-up. Mas madaming tao yung hirap sa concentric dahil wala pa silang masyadong strength para sa pull-up. And by doing the negative part of the pull-up, it will eventually make you stronger for the positive part. Now, another exercise you guys can do if meron kayong low bar or dip bars tulad nitong nasa bahay namin is itong bodyweight rows or Australian pull-ups. Ito na yung pinakamadaling variation ng pull-up dahil yung paa mo is nasa baba lang, meaning less body weight yung kailangan mo hilahin pataas. You can use this exercise to help build your strength for the pull-up negatives, and then the pull-up negatives will help you build strength for the actual pull-up. Please leave a like and follow if nakatulong sa inyo yung video na to, and I'll see you guys next time in the next tutorial.